Hello kids, today we are going to see single digit 6 row problems. Okay, so let's start solving the problem. So before that, I want to tell you the one information. The upper bead value is having the 5 and the lower bead, each bead is having the value of 1. So now the question is 5 plus 3 minus plus 1 minus 2 and plus 4. So for doing plus 4, we don't have sufficient beads. I am using the big friend formula plus 10 minus 6. Now next minus 3. For minusing 3, again using the big friend formula minus 10 plus 7. So the answer is 8. Let's solve the second problem. It is plus 7 minus 2 and plus 5. For doing the plus 5, we don't have one more bead. So we are using the big friend formula plus 10 minus 5. Now plus 1, and for minus 1 again I am using the big friend formula minus 10 plus 6 and plus 2. So the final answer is 9. So let's solve the third problem. So for the third problem they have given plus 4 and again plus 4. So for plus 4 we have only the value of 5 beads. I am using the small friend formula which is plus 5 minus 1. Now again it is minus 1 and it is plus 3 now. So for doing plus 3 we have only 2 beads. I am using the big friend formula plus 10 and minus 7. Now it is minus 2. So for minus 2 again it is minus 10 and plus 8. So again it is plus 5. For plus 5 again I am using the big friend formula plus 10 minus 5. So the answer is 13. Yes, let's solve the fourth problem. The fourth problem is plus 6 plus 2 and minus 3 and plus 4 plus 1. So we don't have enough beads. I am using the big friend formula. It is plus 10 minus 9. Now it is minus 2. From the 10 we have to minus 2. So it is minus 10 plus 8. Minus 10 plus 8. So sorry. Yeah, the answer is 8. Oh God. Let's come to the last problem. It is 3 plus 5 and minus 2 for plus 4. So for plus 4 we don't have the sufficient beads. Plus 10 minus 6. For minus 1 minus 10 plus 9 and minus 3. So the answer is 6. Thank you. Hope it is useful. For more updates, please watch my channel and subscribe it. Thank you.